today we're going to be looking at hypertension. And hypertension is sometimes called the silent killer. Now let's look at this. Is it really silent, or were there warnings before you develop hypertension? For this law of health, we're going to be looking at abstemiousness. Now another word for abstemiousness is temperance, right? So the law of health, abstemiousness. Now how could we violate this law? By overwork. We have projects to do, we have things to do, we have to be on the hustle, and we are working day and also night. When we are supposed to be resting, we are just constantly working. Now, what are some of the conditions that will show that, hey, we are heading in a trajectory that could develop high blood pressure? These are the conditions. So when you go and do your blood pressure readings, or you have your own at-home blood pressure readings, you will notice a constant increase in the number. Maybe you will even see numbers as high as 130, or God forbid higher than that, which is telling you that, hey, the system is being overworked. But the system is smart. It's not going to allow you to kill it. So what it does, it starts to make you feel fatigued and you feel tired. Now, what most persons do, instead of taking a rest, they try to push through, either with willpower or by using stimulants like caffeine. So they continue working, they're going to be hitting a Red Bull, a Rockstar, coffee, all of that stuff to keep pushing. Now you do this month after month, eventually you go to your doctor and your readings are consistently over 130, which is, by the way, stage 1 hypertension. And you ask yourself, why isn't my blood pressure going down? But if you just backtrack a bit, your body was trying to slow you down, you push on through, you repeatedly violated that law of health, which is temperance, and you have now developed high blood pressure. So what is the next one we're going to be looking at? We're going to be looking at its big brother, high cholesterol. Stay tuned for more.